Yep, it's snowing again, and that kind of messes things up for the start of our season, but I don't usually take a whole lot of time to appreciate just how beautiful it is when it snows because I'm so antsy about getting things started. I actually want to show you something. The water's out of my pond. I don't usually get to see my bridge at this angle. Let me show it to you. We don't do snow plowing as part of our business, but we do have to clear the lot at the building, and I'm gonna get some help with that. Remember when you were a kid and it would snow and you're off from school and you figure you got the whole day to yourself to go sleigh riding or play games? What? Not this one. They might hate me now, but later in life, they'll probably hate me too. Colby, what's going on?
Well, we're trying to get to clear the snow, but we're kind of like stuck.
So we had to park at the building next door to ours and walk down the highway because there's about 3 feet of snow at the entrance to our parking lot. We got some work to do. That was fun. Wouldn't want to do it for a living. I got mad respect for guys that plow snow because a little taste of it, it's a good time, but to do it for 20 hours straight, no thanks. So with the snow day, I've had some time to think because we obviously can't work, so I'm contemplating a lot of things, and one of the things that I'm thinking about is what am I doing with this YouTube channel, and it's starting to morph as I go along. I don't have a really specific outcome of what I'm hoping to accomplish with this, but I worry about a few things. Obviously, when it comes to business, I worry about what our forecast looks like, are employees happy, how are we gonna get through the winter with carrying costs and all that kind of stuff, normal business things. But with this vlog specifically and what I'm doing with this YouTube channel, I worry about, am I putting too much time into it? Is it gonna affect my business negatively? Is it gonna affect us positively? Luckily, we've only got like 350 subscribers right now. It's actually 356. So I don't have to worry about looking like a huge fool in front of a huge audience. And I do appreciate everybody that's subscribed right now because it's taken a lot to get this far, and the fact that you're sticking with me and you're still here is amazing. But I wonder, so what is my end game with this? I don't know that I have an end game, but it's more about just building my brand through education, awareness, giving away what I know to people, because that's really all you have to give in life is what you've learned and what you've gained through experience and through knowledge. So how I'm going to transition that into a different format besides this is something I'm struggling with, and that's one of the reasons I'm working on building this studio in my basement, so I can really turn that into an educational tool and talk about all the things that I've experienced in the water gardening business over the last 20 years. Problems, solutions, new technology, the way we specifically do things, and products that we use or products that we sell in the store. I don't know that it's gonna be a lot of unbiased opinions because I work with the same products all the time, so I can only give my one side of things as far as how things work for us as a company. There's probably gonna be other things out there that people are really gonna be passionate about that I don't know a whole lot about, and I'm hoping to find people that I can actually bring in and lean on for expertise in different areas of our field. I have a few landscape connections that I want to bring in and hook up with and pick their brain on landscape related questions and how it integrates with water features, and trying to keep it in my genre so that I understand how it all fits together. Even though I've been doing this for over 20 years, I still have lots to learn, and it's something that I do every day. And that's probably what I love most about this, the vlogging, is that it's teaching me a lot of things. It's teaching me humility. It's teaching me how to be patient, especially when it comes to growing viewership, because I watch a lot of great vloggers, a lot of great YouTubers. These guys are blowing up. And I'm not jealous, I'm in awe. I'm like, how the heck are they doing this? And it's finding a way to resonate with people. And I'm trying to see what my connection is with people, so that it's something that provides value to them, to you, that you would even want to watch what we're doing. So I guess the point of all this is I'm looking for some help, specifically from you. So if you're watching these, and this is my 30th vlog over the last 2 months, if you're watching these and there's something that you do like and you'd like to see more of, or you'd like to know more about as far as our business or my situation in the business, or how I run the business, or how I deal with other situations, whether it's employees or whatever, or if there's things that you absolutely hate about what I'm doing, I'd love to hear that too, so that I stop doing them and find my way with this whole vlog and make it so that it's entertaining and provides value to people. What I will say is I'm going to keep this as raw and candid as possible. I'm not looking to make this something that's scripted out or contrived in any way. So with all its bumps and bruises, that's how we're going to present this. I hope that's refreshing and it's something that's watchable, but at the end of the day, I'm just over here trying to figure it all out.